welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks, and this is Himanshi came up with some neutral fresh makeup look. So you can see how I got ready, and something which I'm gonna discuss in this video. So you can see this look. I have not used any pinks or any purple or any red in this look, and this is all completely neutral tone wherein you can use brown and a little bit of pink and all of that. So kind of look actually you can carry on saris, salwar suits, and you know, the western dress what I am wearing right now. So this is very cool and you can use this anywhere. This is the reason why I just thought that, you know, creating this look and show you guys so that you can also follow, and you can use this in wedding or any casual outing. So that's the best part of this. If you wanted to know how I did this, then let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start. As I discussed this, this is gonna be easy and quick makeup look. We are not getting depth into too many things and layer it off too much. So let's start and first moisturize our face. Before moisturization, I have washed my face well using this. This is from the brand The Body Shop Drops of Light. So these two I am using currently because this was suggested you know, by my friend out there from The Body Shop, and I'm using other range also, but I just thought that to get a little brightness, so I'm using this from past 2 months and it's working well. So as I have used the face wash, I would just switch on to the serum. So let's use this and see how it gives. So I am not using any other moisturizer. After using this, I'll be using MAC moisturizer, which is also a illuminator. So let's move on to this and first use. So take a few drops out here, blend it in. I'll be using MAC Strobe Cream. So this is moisturizer plus illuminator, which provides you a little glow. Let's use this off. So I'll be taking a little bit. So look at the effect, look at the glassy effect, and this is so good, you guys. This is so moisturizing. It provides so highlighted and luminous effect. And after using this, when you use foundation on top of it or concealer, it is easy to blend, and also it sets good on your face. And this is also long lasting, so your makeup will set well. Reason why I have seen so many people using this and talking about this product, and this is highly raved product, and this is highly recommended. If you could invest in some good illuminator which also provides, or which also does the work of moisturization, then surely you should definitely choose for MAC Strobe Cream. Moving on, next let's move ahead and start with our foundation. So for foundation today, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless foundation. So this is basically, it's kind of over. I've used this so much because this is my favorite foundation. This is just finished. I think I can use this once or twice. So I've already ordered actually from the same brand, Maybelline Fit Me Super Stay. So if you are looking for any affordable foundation, then this is the best. You can choose this one, or you can choose for Maybelline Super Stay. I would be providing you the link so that any of these, it's really good if you have oily skin, dry skin combination, you can use this one. I've just taken on my hand, and let's move on and use the beauty sponge to blend this in. This beauty sponge is from the brand Color Bar, and this is my favorite because this is quite affordable. I think I bought this in some, after this it was some 180 rupees or 170, and after discount I just bought this for 120 rupees, and this is really good. It blends your makeup so well. The foundation is done, and let's move on to the concealer. For concealer, I'll be using Smashbox concealer and Studio Skin Flawless 24 Hours concealer. This is and this I just bought this new. So let's see, this is the first trial, first impression, and how it looks like on my face. So the shade what I have chosen out here is Fair Light Warm Peach, and you get the product quantity is 8 ml in this. This is how it looks like. The applicator is very good. I'm just using wherever I require. Oh, it blends so well. Just see? Yeah. So I have a little spot out here, so for that I had an acne. So what I'll do, I'll just take a little bit more here. Okay, and I'm using this PAC concealer brush in the number is 020. So this is a concealer angular brush, you can see. So I'm just dabbing that in so that I can get rid of that spot. Now let's move on, and I just wanted to cover, you can say, mattify my T-zone. This is the T-zone. I just don't want here to mattify because that sets well. So I'll be using Color Bar loose powder. This is Flawless Airbrush Finish loose powder, and my shade is Beige Fair 001W. So this is how it looks. Taking my Real Techniques brush, just here, nothing but a little bit. To contour my face, I'll be using Etude House Play 101 stick. So this stick I'll show you. It's actually quite useful. So this has got two ends. So here you see you get the bronzer or contouring cream, and then you get a highlighter. So I'll be first using the contouring cream. So you need to mark wherever you want to contour, like so. And now taking another sponge and blending this in. I just feel that it's not blending so beautifully, you know. I have to drag my sponge. I don't know why. I'd used this once, but that time I think I used my brush. I'll be using brush. I'll switch on to brush. And that time I could able to blend that in. So let's see. Yeah, it is better with the brush, and with the sponge it wasn't helping. I don't know why. The contour effect is good. I don't know why, only I felt that this wasn't blending well with the sponge, but with the brush it is good. Now let's move on to the blush, the most interesting part of the makeup. I just love blushes. So I'm using this dome shaped blush from the brand The Body Shop, and this is called the Honey Bronze in the pink blush. So let's use it and later merge it. So what I have done, I don't want it to look just pink flush or something. I wanted it to blend it with my contour, and it just gives a natural effect. Reason why I'm just blending in this with my contour. Yeah. Let's move on to the highlighter. So for highlighter, I am using this Makeup Revolution Stove highlighter. I'm so sorry, this is not the highlighter. Highlighter is here. Actually, this is broken. Somehow it just fell down and it broke. But this is my favorite highlighter, so I just wanted to use it somehow. So the high point of the face. So my cupid bow, nose, and on my cheeks, high point of my cheeks. You can also make it a C shape like this. Yeah, so that you know when the light flashes, you can see the glow. Near the brow area. Now let's quickly move on to the eyes. My eyes, I'm going to use Huda Beauty palette, and this is Sand Haze. The beautiful colors out here. If you're looking for any eyeshadow which is in the nude neutral shade, then you can surely choose for Huda Beauty. This is the eyeshadow palette is little expensive, but this is worth every penny that you spend. And look at the colors, so amazing. See, you don't have so much of that dark color instead of one, and that also you can blend this with others, and you can just use this. This is so good and pigmented, you guys. I'll show you the swatch of one. Just see this, how soft and pigmented is that. I'll be using this color here, and I'm not using any. I think my finger should be enough. Just provide the base. This is my favorite color. Even if you don't want to use any of the eyeshadow, you can just use this to provide a base to your eyes, and then use eyeliner or kajal, or you know, whatsoever you want to use. I am also using all over my eyelids and also out here to the arc, so that it looks just sharp. I'm just taking this brush, this fluffy brush, and I would be taking the brown color here, and just to intensify my crease. So I'm not gonna use most of the colors today, maybe because the dress is simple, so maybe I'll use other colors in the upcoming tutorials and show you. Just using this to intensify or give a depth to my eyes. That's how. So for eyeliner, I just thought of choosing eyeshadow stick, so that you know I can just fill instead of black or brown eyeliner. I just love to use L'Oreal Paris Stylo Smoky eyeshadow. This is stick eyeshadow, and the shade for this is 110 Mocha Coffee. This is the shade, and this is how it looks. And this hand side you also get the brush, so that's the best part of it. So I'll be just using this on top like so. And now, so brush, what it has been given out here is also quite helpful. So let's just blend this in. Yeah, that's how. Yeah. So this is really very good. I just love this one. So for like a kajal, I just wanted to use something, and I would be using Nykaa Glamour Eyes, and the shade what I have here is Bronze Beam 08. So this is a good brown color kajal cum eyeliner. So let's use it down. Wait, I'm gonna merge it, so just don't be scared. Just got like this. I did this purposely because I just wanted, with the same L'Oreal brush, just wanted to blend this in. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now I just wanted to intensify my eyes and to give a effect which is like your eyes are looking very open up. I'll be using Maybelline Color Show eyeliner. So look at the shade. This is like a pearl shade and very light in color. So we would just use it here in the waterline. So my down waterline, I'll be using this. So for my brows, I just don't want to use much. I'll be using the same eyeshadow stick from, see, this has got multiple usage. So I'll just use it here a little bit. Top of it, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Brow Pencil. What I also thought to do, taking the same Huda Beauty shade, I'm just using this shade. So I'm just using this shade and just highlight in between. Yeah, so the glitters are so pigmented, so pigmented. Yeah, this is how it is. So for lips, I'll be using Huda Beauty Bullet powder lipstick, and this is the shade Anniversary, the powder lipstick, and the shade is very neutral, so I'll have to combine with the other shade. So the shade name is Anniversary, and let's see how it looks on my lips. So this is how it is. As I told you, the shade is quite neutral. So I'll be using another lipstick from the Huda Beauty. This is their Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade I have is Shio. This comes with the foot applicator. Yeah. So now this makes sense. So this is how it looks. So I just forgot to use the mascara, so let's head and use mascara, and this is from the brand The Face Shop. And when I bought this, they called it as Fashion by Mascara, Fashion Big Mascara. And when I bought this product, honestly speaking, I just thought that this could be the normal one, and I think I got this free on buying multiple products of the Face Shop, and I just thought that this would be a okay normal mascara. But when I use this, the effect is so good that I'm just fan of this, and every time I look into every time I just look forward to use this mascara. This is that good. So immediately it opens up my eyes. So this is the final finished look, and this is how the makeup looks like. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you want some more such videos, then please do comment below so that I can get an idea and I can come up with that. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of more such videos. And thank you so much for giving me your time and watching this completely. Bye bye.